When I've been let go from a job for reasons outside my control, the first thing I do is take a moment to process what just happened. Sometimes the loss can be so unexpected that it throws off my sense of self for a moment. When that happens, I often pray or meditate to regain my sense of peace and resolve for what lay ahead. It may take only a few minutes, but it's important to regain that equilibrium quickly so that I can move on. If I did my best, I resolve to do that again. If not, I look for places to improve. It's not enough to simply ask, was I a good worker or not? Though painful, I check my objective performance and see how many successes I had in my position versus how many failures or missteps. As this process can be ongoing, I move forward into considering how the loss will impact my financial situation. I begin checking my budget to evaluate my financial stability, so that I know what kind of timetable I'm working with to find my next position. If I'm eligible for unemployment, I start applying for benefits. There are quite a few social programs designed to assist people who are experiencing hardship. While it may seem embarrassing to some, I know that these programs are there to help, not humble. I start by contacting the Department of Human Services in my locality and allowing them to guide me through the process. Then, I begin the search for my next employer, sending my updated resume out to different companies that fit what I'm looking for or really good at. I begin requesting or setting up interviews with different companies that seem interested in what I have to offer and reach out to trusted people in both my professional and personal circle to find out what sorts of jobs might be available that I had no previous knowledge of. Nevertheless, with faith, hard work, and just a little time, I rest in the knowledge that I'll be able to keep my family afloat and find the next position that's meant for me.